Welcome everybody to Base Camp Adventures, and it's a bloody cold one today. Okay, so when buying a caravan, especially brand new, I made some assumptions. The first one was, and I did another video on it, is that my car could tow a caravan, which I found was incorrect. Anyway, the other thing is, I thought buying a brand new caravan, it would come with all the accessories. Again, another rookie mistake we made. So, with all the excitement, we headed off to Harrogate Show last year, 2024. The new show there. We headed off, and we had the mind of just having a look at the base camp because we knew Swift was there, and our local caravan dealer. We went there to just have a look. However, we ended up purchasing one. Now, one of the things we assumed when you buy a caravan is it comes with all the accessories. Everything you need to get you out on the road and out using the van. However, when we got to Harrogate Show, we headed off to Swift. We had a look at Begley as well because there was another small caravan we quite liked. So we had a look around this particular van, and I wanted to really show my wife the vehicle in the flesh, so to speak, before we made any financial commitment. However, it was all thumbs up, and away we went. So we called a salesperson over to get some more details on the pricing, etc. So ourselves and the salesperson, we went off to the Swift tent, and it was a very good tent, by the way. They offered us a coffee and everything, so we sat down and we started going through the figures. Now, this caravan is about £22,000 to £25,000. Can't remember off the top of my head exactly how much it was, but for that kind of money, I expected everything in as well. And what we found was that's not the case. So, what did we do? So, some of the things I thought was included, and turns out it wasn't, was number one, the gas bottle. I thought it would come with a gas bottle. And again, that's what I'd soon paying the money we do. Now, I knew it wouldn't come with an awning or anything like that. We'd have to buy that separately. We also thought there would be some means of hooking up water, hose, aqua roll, something like that. No, it didn't. Now, this particular caravan comes fitted with a solar panel. So again, I made the assumption that a leisure battery would be fitted, so we can obviously go off grid. However, no, it doesn't. There's a couple of other extras that we thought maybe come with the van. We wasn't quite sure. Hitch lock, wheel lock, things like that. So we sat with the dealer, went through the price, and he says, "Oh, by the way, these additional things are going to cost you an extra £1,000 thereabout." And you can imagine me and my wife, we sat there and went, "No, I'm not paying 20 odd £1,000 for a caravan, and it's not ready to rock and roll." So, with a bit of haggling, we managed to get a gas bottle. We managed to get gas in the bottle. We managed to get an aqua roll. We managed to get a leisure battery fitted. We got the hitch lock, and we got the wheel lock all thrown in, free of charge. So, the moral of the story is, if you do go to a dealer, and just because they say to you, these are all the extras, haggle. At the moment, it's a buyer's market, and the caravan industry is struggling a little bit. Take advantage of it. You're the customer. You're the consumer. So we agreed, and I got it signed. We agreed to all the following. So we got a gas bottle. We got the gas bottle, gas put in it, of course. We got the water carrier. We got the aqua roll. We got oh yeah, another thing I thought would be fitted was the toilet cassette. and also the grey water cassette trolley. I thought that would come with the Caravan as well. No, it didn't. So again, we got those things put in as well. So we've got the water carrier. Sorry, we've got the waste cassette. We also got the grey water carrier as well, all put in FOC. And also we got, and this is something Swift offer, is the first service free of charge. Now the service is worth about £300, and part of the warranty is you must have the Caravan service. Now, me taking something on the road, I would want it fully serviced and checked anyway. You know, because you've got brakes on there, things like that. Also, you've got gas fittings, you've got plumbing, all that kind of stuff, and I would want all those things working correctly. This van comes with a fire alarm type thing, heat detector, also carbon monoxide detector as well. So it's important to us that the van is maintained, not just for the warranty purposes, but for our purposes as well. And it might be that we bring our sons along and their partners, our granddaughter, things like that. So, you know, always a big, make sure your van's serviced. So really, again, I made an assumption, like I did with the car, that all these extra things, and we hadn't budgeted for it. That's the thing, we didn't budget for the extra costs. However, we managed to get them all thrown in. Big thank you to Yorkshire Coast Caravans, based at Carnaby near Bridlington. That's where we purchased the Caravan from. We're very happy. So actually the total for the van was £24,700, and then we got nearly £1,000 worth of things put in as well. So we were happy. We were happy with that. And again, if you're inexperienced, like we are, you know, even though I did quite a lot of research, maybe the research I did was centered around actually using the Caravan as opposed to all the other little bits and pieces as well. So as we've gone along, we've built up things, and we did get a matching T-service for the Swift Base Camp 2, which is in that blue, which is fantastic. We also got a little mini vacuum. We've got all the bedding. We've just bought a little rug. We've got the awning. So we have pretty much covered everything. So, what do you think? Have you got any knowledge of when you've gone to buy a Caravan, any experiences you want to share? Pop them in the comments below, or drop us an email. If you go to our main page, you can drop us an email. If there's anything you want us to cover on the on this particular model, again, drop us a comment below and we'll do a video on it. Thank you very much for watching. Please give us a like and please subscribe. Thank you very much.